In this video, we have been given that angle CAB is 90 degrees, angle CPQ is 90 degrees, and AP is 3, AB is 4, CQ is 10, and angle ACB is x. Then we have to find tan 3x. So if we join BP, then in triangle ABP, BP square, it will be AB square plus AP square by Pythagoras theorem. And BP square, it is equal to AB is 4 square plus AP is 3 square, and BP square, it is 16 plus 9, that will be 25. So BP, it will be root 25, that will be 5. So BP, it is 5, and now we have CQ is 10, and suppose M is midpoint of CQ such that CM, it is equal to QM. It is our construction. Then CM, it will be equal to QM, that will be CQ over 2, and CQ is 10 over 2, that will be 5. So CM is 5 and QM is 5. And now in triangle CPQ, it is CPQ. If we make a circle around the triangle, then angle CPQ is 90 degrees, and we know that in any circle diameter makes an angle of 90 degrees on the circle. So CQ, it will be diameter, and suppose the center of the circle is M, then CM, it will be equal to QM, it will be equal to PM, that will be radius. So here we have CM is 5, QM is 5, so PM, it will be also 5, and now in triangle CPM, it is C, P, M. We have Cm is equal to Pm, that is 5. That means these two angles, they will be equal, and this angle is x, so this angle, it will be also x. This angle is x, and now this angle, it will be x plus x, that will be 2x. This angle, it will be 2x, and in triangle BPM, it is BPM, we have BP is equal to PM, that is 5. That means these two angles, they will be equal, and this angle is 2x, so this angle, it will be also 2x. This angle, it will be 2x, and now this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 2x minus 2x. That will be 180 degrees minus 4x. This angle, it is 180 degrees minus 4x, and now at point P, this angle is x, this angle is 180 degrees minus 4x, and suppose this angle is alpha, so x plus 180 degrees minus 4x plus alpha, it will be 180 degrees, and 180 degrees will get cancelled, so x minus 4x plus alpha, it is 0, and minus 3x plus alpha is 0, so alpha, it will be 3x, so this angle, it is 3x, and now in triangle ABP, it is A, B, P, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 3x, AP is 3, AB is 4, so tan 3x, it will be AB over AP, it is AB over AP, and AB is 4 over AP is 3, so tan 3x, it is 4 over 3, it is 4 over 3,